Hey guys, welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own YouTube channel art. Before we begin, click thumbs up, subscribe our channel and hit the bell. So let's start. First of all, to create your own YouTube channel art, you need to go to canva.com. Of course, you can find link in the description of this video. And once you get to this website, you will see something like this. And over here we've got three options to create our account. First of all, we can sign up with our Google account, or we can sign up with Facebook, or we can simply sign up just with our email account. So whichever option you choose, you'll be able to create your own free Canva account and you'll be able to create your YouTube channel art. Of course, after you create the account, you need to log in. After you log in, we will see something like this, and we need to click over here on this button to create a design. After we click over here, in the search box down here, we have to write YouTube. And after we write YouTube, we will have different options to choose from. So we want to create YouTube channel art, so we have to click on this one over here. Once we click on it, a new tab will be opened where we will be able to create our YouTube channel art and edit it. So, as you can see over here, we've got some different templates of YouTube channel art. So you can choose, for example, category. If your channel is about music, here are some templates about music. So all you have to do is click see all. Same with beauty, travel, etc., etc. And if you want to see all the results, you can just scroll down and down and down, and all the new templates will be loaded. Like you can see over here, there is like game strategies, so gaming channels, etc., etc. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. I'm just gonna click on it, and as soon as I click on it, as you can see, it's already loaded on the right side. So you can check out how it looks. If you don't like it, you can click on another one until you find the one that you like the most. But like I said, let's say I'm gonna choose this one. And right now, once we open this one, let's choose from the menu on the left side over here, elements. So as the elements open, I would like you to scroll down here and choose this square. So I'm gonna click on it. And as soon as I did it, as you can see, the square is here. So let's resize it somehow like this to cover more or less the original art. So after we add this square or this rectangle, we need to send it backwards. In order to send it backwards, we need to click up here on position and then choose backward. We can also press Ctrl and square bracket. So if we click backward, until it becomes grayed out. So right now this gray rectangle is in the background, and let me explain to you why did we add this. Because this huge channel art, it's 2560 pixels wide and around 1700 pixels high, is showed only on TV. So if we are opening YouTube channel on computer, or if we are opening YouTube channel on phone, we will see only this small rectangle that is in the center of this huge rectangle. So this part will be actually visible on our phone and computer. Just as you can see over here, so this part that we see over here of this channel art is actually this small rectangle that we just put over here. So once we have it and once we know where more or less the center is, we can start editing our YouTube channel art. So if we want to change the text, let's say here, I would change it to, for example, Topzoid, or maybe The Apps World. And then the one at the bottom, we can either change it or delete it by pressing delete. And it's same with this drawing over here. We can also delete it if you want. And once we have this, we can click on our rectangle. We click position and we choose center. So right now we are sure that our rectangle is in the center, and we can move our text to the center as well. Of course, we can resize it a little bit to make it smaller, and once we have our text, we can move it to the center if we want, or any other position, and we can also add some graphics. So in order to add some graphic to the left or right side of our template, we would click on Elements, and after clicking on Elements, over here we've got many different elements, so we can just find an element that we like the most. So to find some cool graphics that we can add over here, we can just type in the search box up here, what are we looking for? So let's say my channel is the apps world, so I'm gonna type world, and let's see what it finds. And over here, as you can see, if we move our mouse over the element, we can see that some of them are free, but some of them have a $sign. So the ones with a $sign are available to buy for $1. However, of course, you can just choose some of the free ones, because as you can see, there are many free graphics that we can add. So you can just choose one of the free ones. As you can see, there are many of the free. Just find any template that you like. And let's say I'm gonna choose this blue one over here, so all I have to do is click on it. And after I do this, I can resize it to fit in any place I want. So let's say I want it to be over here, so it's the apps world, and I want to put another one exactly the same, so we can click duplicate if we want to duplicate something, and I want to put it on the left side. And let's say this is the logo that I want, so I can click on the gray rectangle in the background and I can delete it. And of course you can adjust it a little, you can move it so it fits perfectly to whatever design you have on your mind. You can add different icons, you can add some icon in the center or in the background or any other place you want. So when you finish designing your YouTube graphic, let's say this is finished, and in order to save it, I would click over here and then choose download. After we hit download, we have few different options to choose from. We can download it as video, PDF, print, standard, JPEG or PNG. I would suggest choosing PNG. And then over here we have what size will it be. Do we want to have transparent background? Unfortunately, transparent background is only available if we buy Pro version of Canva, so we don't need it. We can have, for example, colored background because we want the full graphic. So after we choose PNG or JPEG, we click download, and as you can see, it's preparing our design. So after we click download, it will show us a window, a pop-up window, and we can point to where we want to save our graphic. So all you have to do is click save, and it's already being saved to our computer. So I'm gonna click on it to check if it really saved and opened it. And as you can see, my YouTube channel graphic is already made. I already downloaded it, and now I'm able to upload it to my channel, and that's how you make it for free. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments under this video. I'll try to answer all of them. And remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.